Today I have the most expensive oud in the world. Now, if you have heard a lot of stories that this is the most expensive oud, this is the most expensive oud, I really bet that these are not the most expensive oud. The most expensive oud oils are going to be from Vietnam. Yes, you have heard it right. Vietnam oud oils, I have heard there is a story, there is an old oud tree and there is a whole security system. There are electrified wires around it. There are security guards and everything because people tend to steal its pieces, and even the smallest piece it is going to be sold for thousands of dollars, maybe 50,000 or $20,000 for a very small piece of that tree. So the government has preserved it. They have they have all the security around it, so people stop stealing those wood. Okay, so this is the one I have is NHA Tarang Ultima from Vietnam, and it was distilled in 2011. ImperialOud.com now it has converted into USA Aromatics and other companies. So this one is artisanal grade oud oil from Vietnam, and can you guess how much I have paid for this to buy this 1 ml? So if you talk about tola of this, so 12 ml or tola, it would cost you around $6,000 or $7,000. So this is one of the most expensive oud oil I right now possess. So this is like I paid $600 for this 1 ml. So you can bet that this is one of the most expensive oud oils. And in the start, when I actually sniffed it and how it actually smells, let me explain. So if you sniff it on the top of the bottle, you would get a sweet almond kind of scent. This is most of the Vietnam great oud oils, they are going to smell like this. They are going to smell like sweet almond. But once you are going to apply it, oh my God, this is one of the best oud oils I have ever sniffed. Okay, so I am not exaggerating. Actually, what happened, one of my friend, he's a doctor and he really enjoys oud oils, and I had never applied this on my skin. I just kept sniffing it because it was very expensive. Sweet almonds, they are kind of like not a very good thing to apply on your skin. But once my friend came and we actually applied one drop on his skin, and you can believe me that the whole night my whole room was emitting its scent profile. It was sweet, it was elegant, it was light woody, it was just like flowing and keeping its presence in the air of the whole room. And the next day I called my friend. I said, your scent is still lingering in my room after 12 or I think 16 hours or maybe more than that, 24 hours. So this is this potent and this is really great Vietnam oil. On your skin, it is going to change the whole scent profile. It is sweet, it is light woody, it is very balanced. It is not very overly sweet like Thai oud oils or other oud oils. So if you are an oud collector or if you love oud oils, you should always check out these Vietnam oud oils. They are really great. The scent profile is very unique, very different, in a totally different direction. So this is my review about NHA Tarang Ultima, or most expensive oud oil from Vietnam. And next time if you visit Vietnam, don't try to steal oud wood of that tree. And this is just joking. This is my review about the most expensive oud oils. If you like oud oils, make sure you like, subscribe and share my channel, because I am an oud addict. I really love oud. I think it is the best perfume God or Allah has ever created. on earth. And then the second one I'm going to say is about Himalayan musk or musk. Okay, so Himalayan musk grains and this oud. I think these are the two top most favorite or addictive kind of notes. You cannot stop sniffing them. So this is my review about the most expensive oud oil from Vietnam. Next time you visit Vietnam, make sure you remember this story. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.